Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Valkyr in Warframe. Valkyr is a melee-focused Warframe known for her high survivability and powerful abilities. To obtain Valkyr, you must first farm her parts from the assassination target Semesto on Jupiter. Go to Jupiter. And go to the Semesto and select the Semesto assassination mission. During the mission, focus on killing Semesto first and then defeat the robot dog that spawns afterwards. Make sure to pick up all the loot drops and extract after the mission. After completing the mission, you will receive the Valkyr chassis blueprint as a drop. Repeat the mission until you obtain the Neuroptics and the system parts. Once you have all three parts, you can craft Valkyr in the Foundry. Additionally, a Valkyr main blueprint can be purchased from the store. Just go to your store and search for Valkyr, and it can be purchased for 35,000 credits. And that's it. We just learned how to farm Valkyr part by defeating Semesto on Jupiter and where to buy Valkyr's main blueprint in the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.